we are going to proceed a practical in which we are going to connect two laptops in a network. Is it okay? Fine. Now, do you have any question regarding this, that why we are going to do this? Yeah, excellent question. See, whenever we can connect, or let's say whenever we will connect two laptops in a network, the file transfer in the form of single file or folder is going to be much easier. Now, there must be a question in your mind that nowadays we do have lots of media devices, likewise USB, portable device, same as portable hard disk. Okay. As you know very well that those devices may affect our computer with the viruses. Okay. So at a time, if we do have this simple network cable, we can connect two computers or laptops in a network so that the possibility of affecting the virus to our system is going to be reduced. Is it okay? Okay. At the same time, it will provide more speed, or you can say data transfer rate. Okay, while transferring data from one computer to another computer. The second thing is it will provide us flexibility also. It will provide us speed also. Is it okay? Shall we proceed? Right. See, an experimental setup. This is computer number 1, laptop number 1, laptop number 2, and this is network cable. This is network cable, twisted pair cable. Okay. Earlier we have already seen that how we can build this cable with the use of this cable with the use of crimping tool. Is it okay? Fine. So this is what we need as an experimental setup. Computer 1, computer 2, and a network cable. Okay. We shall start with connecting the laptop with the use of cable first. Okay, and then eventually we will go towards group setting of Windows 7 operating system. Okay, once the computers are going to be connected via home group, then we will initiate a data transfer. Is it okay? So it is going to be a three-way process. Okay, the first process is we need to connect two computers with the use of cable. Okay, process number 2 is now there has to be a logical connection between these two laptops via home group setting, and that home group setting is provided us by Windows 7 operating system. Okay, once that logical connection has been established, then we are going to initiate a data transfer from one computer to another computer. Is it okay? Shall we start? Okay, so we are starting from the step number 1. Okay, a network cable, of course, two ends will be there. One end is going to be connected with the computer 1, the other one is going to be connected with the computer 2. Okay, so I am doing this. At this particular time, you must be knowing where your Ethernet port is situated in your laptop. Is it okay? This is Ethernet plug or Ethernet port. Okay. The second one, we have connected two computers with the use of cable, network cable. Okay. Our step number 1 has been completed. Okay. Now we need to go with the certain settings. Okay. The first setting which we need to perform is regarding firewall setting. Firewall setting means what? The firewall setting means a computer may or may not connected with the computers outside the network. Is it okay? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to turn off the firewall setting of each computer. Is it okay? Turn off the firewall setting of each computer. Okay. Go to control panel first, then system and security menu. Click on system and security menu, then go with the Windows firewall. check firewall status. Right now it has been shown that home or work networks are not connected, public networks can be connected. The state or status of the firewall is shown here off. It is already off. Okay, if in case it was on, then you can turn off the firewall at this particular point. Turn off Windows firewall. While connecting with the public networks, turn off Windows firewall. Just simply put OK on it. You need to follow the same instructions for computer number 2. Go to control panel, system and security, firewall status. It is already off, so we do not need to do anything right now. Now we need to go with the security setting number 2, which is regarding IP address setting. Do you know what is IP address? What is IP address? IP address is Internet Protocol address. Okay. We are going to assign an IP address, okay, to both the computers, computer number 1 and computer number 2. Is it okay? First of all, click on the Ethernet setting, open Network and Sharing Center. You will be provided an option of change adapter setting. You will be given so many network locations over here. Okay, we need to select local area connection. Local area connections, right click, properties, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP property, and choose IP address as 192.168.1.2. The default subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is going to be 192.168.1.1. Here are some DNS settings. Preferred DNS server should be 192.168.1.1 and alternate DNS server should be 8.8.8.8. Simply click on OK and close. You can also see your computer's IP address via command prompt. You need to simply type ipconfig, press enter, and here you will be shown the IP address of your computer. Here it is, 192.168.1.2. Now we need to proceed towards computer number 2 with the same IP address settings. Open Network and Sharing Center, change adapter setting, local area connection, properties, IPv4 setting. Here it is the IP address of computer number 2, 192.168.1.3. While giving IP address to second computer, we must assure that the IP address of both the computers should not be same. It has to be different. Okay, and the reason is, as we have said earlier, that the IP address will uniquely identify the computer on the network. So the IP addresses of two computers cannot be same on a same network. Okay, so for an ease, we have choose the IP address of computer 1 as 192.168.1.2 and IP address of computer 2 as 192.168.1.3. Is it okay? Simply click on OK and close the window. Now we need to check whether the computers are connected or not. So we can do it with the use of command prompt. Here is a command named ping. Ping stands for ICMP echo request. Whenever you will use ping command, the computer which is connected with this computer needs to echo back. Okay, so you simply need to mention the IP address of the computer which is connected with the network or not. Ping 192.168.1.3. This address is an IP address of the second computer. Simply enter. See, it is showing that reply from 192.168.1.3 bytes 32, time to leave time is 128 millisecond, less than millisecond. Okay, it means that the cable which we have used for connecting two computers on a network is working perfectly. Now our next step is to connect the computers logically with the use of home group setting. You need to open control panel where network and internet menu has been there. Choose home group and sharing options. Start with what is network location. We are connecting computers in Windows 7 network, so we need to choose home network first. Check on the possible file types which you are going to share between computers. You are going to share pictures, music, video, documents and printers between computers. Choose next. You can note down this password, but as it is quite weird, so don't panic, just click finish and then change password. You can choose a password which you can remember very well. I am choosing a password as Vishu123. This password is needed while we will connect the second computer via same home group setting with the first computer. Click on next and finish. Now we need to go towards the second computer. Follow same instructions. Go to control panel first, network and internet menu. Choose home group and sharing. So when you have created home group on computer number 1, whenever you will turn towards computer number 2, it will automatically ask you to join the computer. Okay, it has been clearly mentioned that Dell PC, which is our computer number 1, has created a home group on the network. So we simply need to click on join now option. Of course, we need to choose the file types which we are going to share with the computer number 1. So we are going to share pictures, music, videos, documents, printers. Simply click on next and type the password. If we have not forgot the password which we have chosen while creating a home group was Vishu123, so we need to use this password while joining the home group from computer number 2. Simply put on next click button. You have joined the home group. Click on finish. It means that our 2 steps has been completed. We have connected the computers with the use of network cable, and then we have used the home group settings for logical connection between computers. Now what we need to do is we can go to any drive, simply choose a folder which we need to share with the computer number 1. Right click, properties, the sharing option is given. Advanced sharing, share this folder. Don't forget to assign permissions. We'll be usually assigning full control of this folder to the computer, or let's say with the computer this folder is going to be shared. Simply apply, okay, apply, okay, and share home group, share. You individual items JHD which has been belonged, this folder has been belonged from computer number 2 is now being shared with computer number 1. Close. Move to computer number 1, my computer. Click on network. Dell PC is our computer number 1, Microtech PC is our computer number 2. We have shared a folder named JHD from Microtech PC. So we need to click on Microtech PC first, and here the shared folder has been arrived. Simply see, this is what happens. Windows cannot access Microtech PC JHD folder just because of security settings. So again we need to move towards computer number 2. Right click on the folder, properties, go to security setting, advanced, effective permissions, full control, change permissions, add an object. The object must be searched here. Go to home group users, click on OK, assign full control, OK, apply, OK, OK, OK. Now again try to access the folder which has been shared by Microtech PC, which was our computer number 2, and double clicking on JHD you can easily see the items, the contents which has been stored in that particular folder. Hence we can connect the Windows 7 running OS computers with the use of home group setting of Windows 7, and we can share the specific folder from any of the computers of the network to any of the computers. Thank you. So students, we have completed our step number 3 also. Okay, we have shared the JHD folder which belongs to computer number 2, and we have accessed the same folder to computer number 1, as you can see here. Okay, now let me know, is there any query regarding it? Are you sure? Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.